Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear BeReal appage. So, without any further delays, let's dive right into this video. Step 1. Open Settings. At first, you just simply have to click on your setting app, and shortly after, then click on the app settings in your settings. Step 2. Select BeReal in your apps. After going to the app settings, you can see all the apps that you have installed. You simply have to select BeReal here. After going to BeReal, you just simply have to select the storage option here. Step 3. Clear the cache. After selecting the storage option, you can see clear data and clear cache options here. If you just want to clear cache, you have to tap on this clear cache button. And if you want to clear all the data, you have to select this clear data button. I hope this video helped you. If yes, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future content like this. We will meet in another video. Till then, keep loving the tech.